These little cute charms are really easy to make from FIMO clay, and you can put them onto a keyring, a necklace or a bangle.
Now if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of brand new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make them.
You will need FIMO in these colours, a rolling pin, a small cookie cutter or similar, Mod Podge, jump rings, then some jewellery items like a necklace, bangles or keyrings to put your charms onto. Starting with the avocado, mix some green and white FIMO to get a light shade. You'll need about a square inch of FIMO altogether. Roll the clay into a ball, then press it flat into a pear shape using the work surface to get the front flat. For the skin, roll a slightly smaller piece of green FIMO into a ball. Roll the clay flat, pick it up and turn it often so that it doesn't stick to the work surface. Once it's nice and thin, lay it on top of the first piece and press smoothly around it like this. Trim off the edges with it still flat on the table. Press the ends in to create a smooth finish. Next, roll a small ball of beige FIMO. Press it flat on one side, then position it onto the avocado and press in place. To make the keyring attachment, roll a small green ball of clay and place it on top of the avocado. Press the edges in place with a cocktail stick. Gently push a hole through the ball, making sure it is big enough for your split ring. For the face, roll 2 small balls of pink clay and press them flat for rosy cheeks. Repeat to make 2 small balls of black for eyes. Roll a thin sausage of black and trim to about 3mm for a smile. Put the eyes and cheeks in place. Once you're happy with the positioning, press down. Bend the mouth into a smile shape and position this between the eyes. For the bubble tea, roll a square inch of cream coloured FIMO into a fat tube. Press the ends flat but keep the edges rounded. For the lid, roll a smaller piece of white FIMO. Then use a cookie cutter or something round that is the same width as your tube to cut a circle. Press it on top of the clay, then roll it to seal in place. Now you're mixing some white and blue clay to make a pale blue shade for the straw. Roll this into a sausage, then cut to about 1/4 inch. Place on top of the clay and press down. Push a hole through the straw for the jump ring. To make the pearls, cut tiny pieces of brown clay and roll them into balls. Press flat, then push them around the bottom of the cup. Make small eyes, cheeks and a little smile the same way that you did for the avocado. For the ice lolly, take an inch of orange clay and roll it into a ball. Roll to an oval shape about 1/4 inch thick. Cut off one end and smooth the corners a little. Take a small piece of cream clay and roll it into a sausage. Flatten this a little, then cut off one end to make a lollipop stick. Press to the bottom of the ice lolly. Roll a ball of orange clay as before and place it on top. Press in place and add a hole. Add a cute face to finish. Bake the pieces on a low heat for 30 minutes. See the FIMO pack for full instructions. Then, once cool, add a layer of Mod Podge for gloss and pop a jump ring into the top of each charm. Then you can either attach a keyring like this, or you could pop it onto a necklace, or even add them to a bangle.
So that's how to make some simple FIMO keyring charms, and I don't think I'm going to take this off now, I'm going to keep it.
There are loads more FIMO crafts over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub.
Thanks for watching.